Hi guys, today is our second lecture dealing with heat and the first law of thermodynamics. So today I would just want to quickly outline how we're going to be thinking about this. So first we're going to go through a question with regard to thinking about heat, work, and change of thermal energy for an ideal gas. So you can click on this link on our webpage and you'll be able to see the video. I will then continue on with the PowerPoint presentations in which we'll finish going through chapter 19 of Night, talking about work, heat, and the first law of thermodynamics. And then after that, we will come back to this page, work through together a sample thermodynamics must-see question. And finally, we'll talk a little bit about the difference between the internal heat of a system and internal energy. What do these terms mean? So that's the plan for today. There will be no live lecture today. We'll have a live lecture introduction again next week when we do our Kahoot next Tuesday, and and hopefully some homework problems. Okay? So please work your way through at your own time.